Wentex 4-way connector accessories. Need more flexibility with your pipe and drape setups? Expo Warehouse has you covered. The Wentex Flex adapter lets you attach up to 3 telescopic drape supports to a single upright. No extra upright needed. Quick, seamless, and secure. Looking for creative height options? The Wentex angled bracket mounts to any 2-inch upright tube or truss, giving you flexible design possibilities at any level. Together, these 4-way connector accessories expand your options, save space, and boost efficiency. Perfect for event pros who need reliable solutions. Pair them with the Wentex XL transport trolley for maximum efficiency, ample storage, heavy-duty construction, and effortless mobility. Shop now at Expo Warehouse and experience Wentex innovation firsthand.